What were you guys doing again?
It's time to play with Which Cat is Cooler!
Which Cat is Cooler is the game show you've been searching for. Woo. Using Semrush, we can see what people look for on search engines. See if our contestants can guess what's searched for most. Correct answers get you $10. Incorrect answers get you kicked off the show. Oh, and be sure to look out for the Semrush Super Search question of the day. It all starts with a simple question.
Which cat is cooler, A or B? A.
A.
A. A. That's correct! You're the newest contestant! Newest contestant on Which Cat is Cooler! How many game shows have you been on in your life?
0.
Okay, this is the first one! Question 1. This breezy cocktail recipe is searched more times every month. A. Mai Tai recipe. B. Pina Colada recipe. Or C. Margarita recipe.
Margarita.
Pina Colada. I'm sorry, it's Margarita! Jim, you should have listened!
Margarita.
That's correct! $10 in the bank. You've gotten your first question right on a game show. How are you feeling right now? Tell
I'm feeling good, and I'm ready to win some more.
Question 2. Which of these qualities is searched more often every month? Best TV for sports or best TV for gaming?
I say gaming.
Gaming.
That's correct! Okay. 2 questions in the bank. There's a lot of nerds out
Are
here.
you a nerd?
That's a good take. I am. Question 3, which is actually our Semrush Super Search question of the day. This question is worth double the money. Which of these wildlife searches from down under is queried more often each month? A. Australian poisonous spiders. B. Are koalas bears? Or C. Are kangaroos real?
I say B.
Koalas?
That's correct! Question 3 in the bank. $40. Which tutorial search is searched more frequently every month? Is it A, how to cook chicken wings, B, how to use an air fryer, or C, how to store canned goods?
Well, this is a tough one. I'm stuck between A and C. I'll probably say A.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Air fryer?
That's correct! Question 4 in the bag worth of $50. You probably just paid for lunch with that.
Yeah,
Your winnings.
actually we did.
Are you ready for question 5?
Are you ready for question 5?
I don't know if I am. Nobody's gotten this far in the game before. This office tech issue appears most frequently in internet searches every month. Is it A, how to fix a printer jam, B, how to restart the Wi-Fi, or C, how to replace the water cooler jug?
Wi-Fi?
That's correct! She's a winner! She's unstoppable!
So it's 10, 10, 20. What?
Which milk alternative appears in the most searches every month? Is it A, oat milk, B, almond milk, or C, soy milk?
Oh.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. It's almond milk.
I feel like bougie people do oat.
Bougie people do oat milk.
Congrats to Vivin, this episode's biggest winner.
$100 in winnings today. It's a new record for the show, Charles. His mind's blown, my mind's blown. You're walking down the street 1 second, the next second your knowledge of search engine data trends is putting money in your pocket. So be sure to come out and play if you see an orange cat in the street. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Which Cat is Cooler?